if you want to insert a memory card into Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, what you need to do is you need to find the SIM tray, or the slot tray, however you can call it, and it also has this little hole. And in this case, what you need to do is you need to insert the SIM eject tool into this hole. There we go. You can find the eject tool inside the box, for example. And once it is in, you want to use a little bit of force in order to make the tray pop out. And now, in reality, most of the time you don't have to even completely remove the SIM tray, but of course if you want to, you can do that. In my case, I have the 5G version, so there's also a SIM card, and these SIM cards are really easy to drop. But in theory, you should be able to even insert the memory card without fully removing it from the tablet. In this case, I removed it. And we just need to match the shape, make sure that the memory card is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. And be careful not to drop your SIM card if you have one. But once you put it all the way in, we need to slide it in. I'm not gonna pick up the tablet because I'm afraid I'm gonna drop the SIM card that I have. And just slide it in. It should go in all the way. There we go. As you can see, it doesn't stick out or anything. Let me try to get the focus. There we go. As you can see, it is fully in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.